fear can be a powerful force in our lives, but its impact depends on where it's directed. The fear of people, of their opinions and judgments, can be incredibly limiting. It can breed anxiety and self-doubt, making us feel trapped and unable to truly be ourselves. Constantly worrying about what others think can paralyze us, preventing us from taking risks, expressing our true feelings, or pursuing our goals. It can hold us back from living authentically and reaching our full potential. On the other hand, the fear of God or a higher power can be a source of strength. This isn't about being terrified. It's about a deep respect and reverence for something greater than ourselves. It inspires humility and gratitude, and it motivates us to live a life of purpose and integrity. This kind of fear empowers us to overcome our limitations, to act with courage even when it's hard, and to stand up for what we believe in. So, while the fear of people can hold us down, the fear of God can lift us up.